Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Top Channel 101. So this is part 5 of our making the Game of Thrones set, and so we left off baking this after baking this cavity map. So let's bake the ambient occlusion. This will help us make those dark areas in our set. So let's go back to the texture, delete these here. And what we want to do is change the bake type to ambient occlusion. Now make sure you have the cavity map selected here as the image to which you will bake the ambient occlusion. We need to increase back the render samples. I'll set this to 32. That I think will be enough. Though because I have a 4K image, it may not really be enough, but I don't want this to take too long, so I'll just use 32. You can increase the samples to what you want. Another thing to note is that because we have multi-resolution on when we are baking the cavity map, I want that to be turned on when we are baking ambient occlusion. That way everything lines up correctly. So let's bake. I think that's it. We just need to bake now. So let me just make sure that everything is set up. Make sure you have the cavity map saved. Make sure you save it somewhere. So I already have that saved, so I can that will prevent you from overwriting the cavity map. So let's the normals look good and everything looks good, so let's just hit bake. I'll come back in the next part after baking the ambient occlusion. You can see that because we have the samples increased, it's taking some time to render. So I'll see you next.